Hey guys, Leanne Rainey here. Just wanted to let you know how to link the next unit into our Canvas for art, or this will work actually for any subject. But for Art 1, we're starting, or in probably most of our arts, we're starting a new unit this week, and it's not already added to the unit homepage. So if you're in the homepage of Art 1 and you click on coursework, we've done units 1 through 4 so far, but we need to add unit 5. And when our students click on unit 5, we want to make sure that it goes to this unit 5 overview. So the way that we do that is from this unit page, you can go up here and you can click edit, and it brings up the editing page. And just like you would edit a weekly page, you can go in and you can type in a box, unit 5 or unit 6 for whenever we get ready for unit 6. And then you can make the font larger, where I'm using, I think, 24-point font. And then for the font underneath, I think we're using like 18. And then I'm not sure what unit 6 is going to be. I have no idea what unit 6 is going to be yet. Sorry. But we're using white font, or whoever created the template was using white font. So you can just change the font right here to white and do that. But when it comes time to link your page, you want this unit 5 to go to the unit 5 overview. And the way that you do that is you highlight unit 5, and then you come over here to the right-hand side of your screen and you click on pages. And what you want to do is scroll down, and you want to find the unit 5 overview. So we can see here's the unit 1 overview, and then here's the unit 2 overview. So if you just keep scrolling and you go all the way to the end of unit 5, you will see that there is a unit 5 overview page. If you just click on it, then it automatically will link it to this page. And then the only thing you have to do is scroll down and hit save. That way, when our students go in and they can see the unit list and they click on unit 5, it will take them directly to the unit 5 overview. There's a way you can select modules on that right-hand side. If you select modules, it'll take them to the module page instead of the unit 5 overview. So you want to make sure that you click on the unit 5 overview page. And then once you get to unit 5, there's typically there's like a little gray image that says, image placeholder. You can go in, you can hit edit, and you can either plug in your own image by uploading it and you just click embed image, or you can go in and you can type in your text, like unit 5 overview is going to be grid drawing. And then if your grid drawing unit is only going to take 3 weeks, you can go in and you can delete, each week right here. So that the kids aren't super confused and they know, oh, hey, grid drawing is going to take 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I believe our grid drawing unit is only going to take 2 weeks. So you can do that. And then just make sure that you always hit save, just make sure you always hit save, and then that will save the page for you. So that is how you can link the next unit. You can type in the next unit and then link it to our unit page. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call anytime. And I hope everybody's doing great. Thanks a lot.